Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Skype account. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC or mobile phone, go to the search bar and type in Skype. Hit enter and this is going to show you some search results. Here, you can click on www.skype.com. Now, when you click on this link, it is going to take you to skype.com's page, where you'll have to simply click on the sign in button at the top right and click on the sign up link after the new to Skype question mark. So click on sign up and it is going to take you to another page where you can create your account. So this is create account page. Here you'll have to enter your new email address. After entering your email, click on next and create a strong password. Then click on next and enter your first name and last name. Click on next again and choose your country, your birthday, month and year. Now click on next. After this, you will receive a code from Microsoft. So enter the code in this field and click on next. So after entering the code, click on next and it is going to take you to this page. Here, you'll have to click on next, complete this CAPTCHA, click on submit. Now, after the verification gets finished, you'll be promoted to another page where you'll have to choose whether you want to stay signed in so you don't have to sign in again next time. Choose yes. Now, as you can see, this is signing in to Skype. You'll have to wait and Skype.web will open up on your PC. Now, as you can see, I have successfully created a Skype account using my new email. So that's how you create a Skype account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.